Hi, in this tutorial I will show you an easy way to model functional gears for 3D printing in Blender. So let's get started. First you need to of course delete default cube and then add cylinder. You can press N for left panel with dimensions, and here I will say, for example, 20 millimeters, and here too. I know here are meters, but when you export it, for example, to STL, then it is interpreted as millimeters, and it will be 10 millimeters. Maybe a bit too small. Something like that. And here you can adjust the tooth number. If you will divide it by 2, it will how many tooths will be in this gear. So I will left it like it is. Now you need to go to edit mode and press 3 to edit whole walls, and you need to select them like this. Okay, and here you have this tool, insert faces. When you select it, you need to do like this, and then you will have these settings. So depth is teeth length, and thickness is this. So I will do thickness 0.05, it should be fine, and depth 0.3. Let's go. And now I will press here to unselect this. You can see we have a simple gear. If you want to have a hole inside, you need to add another cylinder. Here I will have 0.8 millimeter and 0.8, and for example 100. Oh, I forgot these are millimeters. 8 and 8. And when I add boolean modifier to this gear and select with it second cylinder, then in wireframe you can see here is hole. So I can apply it. If you want gear to rotate, then this must be a bit bigger than in reality. And now I will apply it, and when I give back these dimensions here, you can see that here is some space, so it will rotate. Okay, you can also model twisted gears by selecting these top walls in gear, switch to this tool and rotate it in Z axis. If you hold Ctrl, it will snap rotating. For example, like that, 15 degrees. And you can see we have twisted gear. And if you want to model double twisted gear, you can also extrude it up by 10 millimeters, because this was 10 millimeters also, and rotate it in another way, in Z axis. And you can see we have double twisted gear.